All right, bismuth 210. You're an isotope. You're probably your favorite bismuth isotope that radioactively decays by 13% each day. So I'm going to try to underline stuff as we go. Decays by about 13% each day. So that percentage is in days, meaning that 13% of the remaining bismuth 210 transforms into another atom, polonium 210, each day. If you begin with 100 milligrams of bismuth 210, how much will remain after 1 week? All right, so kind of underline the important stuff. Let's try to fill in and create an exponential function that's going to model this. All right, so components of this, we need A. A is going to be whatever we start with, the initial amount. So in our case, we're told we begin with 100 milligrams of this bismuth 210. All right, other components we need are the rate, and then we want a time frame. X represents our time frame in this function. All right, our rate, we've been told that it decays by about 13% each day. All right, so 13% is the percentage that we're given, and it's decaying, so it's going to go down. It's going to be negative as far as a percent goes. Now I'm going to go ahead and move 2 decimal places over and make this into a decimal. So as a decimal, this means negative 0.13. And remember, that's in days. Every day it's going to decrease by 13% of the previous day's amount. And then finally, what we want to do is figure out how much is going to be around after 1 week. All right, so we're told 1 week, but it's important that our rate is in days. We want our time also to be in days. These have to match up. So 1 week, instead of plugging that in, we're going to use 7 days. It's probably the easiest way to do this. All right, so our function is going to be f of 7 equals 100 times 1 plus a negative 0.13 or minus 0.13 raised to the 7th power. Now if we reduce down a little bit, we can say 1 minus 0.13 is 0.87 raised to the 7th power. Things are getting smaller, so do note this base b is between 0 and 1. If things are getting bigger, that's going to be bigger than 1. Okay, and then getting this into our calculator, this should be about 37.73. And because our initial amount was in milligrams, this too is going to be in milligrams. All right, hope this helps out. Good luck.